Researching the market for a 2009 Holden Commodore. Experience the pleasure of driving this vehicle with a solid 6-cylinder engine. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this ride: cruise control, climate control, central locking, power windows, an alarm system, a CD player, auxiliary input for your MP3 player, ventilated disc brakes, side airbag, stability control, curtain head airbags, and adjustable tilt steering wheel. Premium wheels give a more luxurious look. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included. Call today to schedule a test drive.